The purpose of this video is to highlight and reflect on my Nearpod lesson, which is an internet-based tool that allows educators to create an interactive lesson that can be student-led, teacher-led, or both. Nearpod was used as a tool to design my lesson. This was a great way for me to use videos, activities, and different ways of engagement, all while teaching the course content. My lesson is meant for first grade, and the standards that I'm using is ask and answer questions about key details in a text, identify the main topic and retell key details of a text. The technology standard that is being used is Knowledge Constructor. Student curate information from digital resources using a variety of tools and methods to create a collection of artifacts that demonstrate meaningful connections or conclusions. The student goals that are I can statements are I can identify the parts of the story, I can identify key details of the story, and I can use key details to retell the story. I would use this lesson as a student-led, that way the students are able to complete the Nearpod lesson at their own pace. My hook for this lesson is using the question, how much do you already know about key details in a story? And I will also be asking what is a detail. That way I am able to know the students' previous knowledge and students are able to know what content will be covered during the lesson. In my lesson, I was able to use different activities such as providing a video that reads a story out loud to students. Afterwards, the students will also be answering questions about the story on what happened. Then they will be introduced with components of key details. These are the different components of key details that will be introduced. The students will then play a matching game on how those components were used in the story. I'm able to assess the students by using the polls and the open-ended questions provided. These are the questions that will be introduced for the polls. And as you can see in my lesson, I was able to use accessibility for students by providing audio directions for them. This way it will meet a variety of learning needs in the classroom. Students are also able to respond to questions using text or audio. That way it will meet the needs of different learners. At the end of the lesson, students are able to reflect on how confident they feel and their ability to identify key details to retell the story, and also answering what is the most interesting thing they've learned about using key details to retell the story. By looking at their answers afterward, I'll be able to see if the student learning goals were met. As a reflection, I was able to learn about the different ways technology can be used throughout a lesson. I was able to include activities, learning content, and assessment all through Nearpod. I hope to improve more on my lessons in the future using technology such as Nearpod.